What are you doing? What are you doing? It's just like he's just rubbing it on me. It's weird. He wants the skin too. He doesn't want the jacket anymore. Yep, just wants the skin.
Careful. You might just bite that skin
Hey.
shell. It's gonna zip your coat.
You're silly.
Shall be careful.
Mom, he's not even using his teeth. It's just his top lip.
He's gonna just bring his teeth right out, though.
You are funny. Yes, you are.
Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. Hi. Your son is being silly.
You think you're gonna get in on his action now? You know, turd. Yeah.
Gross.